Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to see how to solve the last three subdivisions in question 4 in exercise 5.1. Now let us look at the problem. The 13th question, the series given is root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 and so on. So let us first check if it is AP. I'm going to note root 3 as the first term. So A is equal to root 3. Now to find the common difference, I subtract the second term from the first term. So root 6 minus root 3. I'm going to take root 3 common outside. So this becomes root 2 minus 1. Now let's check if I subtract the second term from the third term, if I get the same answer. So root 9 minus root 6, I can write this as 3 minus root 6. So if I take root 3 outside, I get a root 3 minus root 2. So if you see in the first case, the common difference was root 3 into root 2 minus 1. In this case, it is something else. So it is not an AP. Since it is not an AP, we are not going to generate the next three terms. Now let us look at the 14th series in this question. So it is 1 squared, 3 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared and so on. So let us note the first term as A. So 1 squared is A. So let's see if common difference is there. So 3 squared minus 1 squared, which is 9 minus 1, 8. Now let's do between the second and the third term. So 5 squared minus 3 squared, which is 25 minus 9, which is 16. So these don't match. Therefore, this is also not an AP. Now let us look at the last series in this question. So it is 1 squared, 5 squared, 7 squared and 73 and so on. So now let us note the first term as A, which is 1 squared. So A is equal to 1. Now let's see if the common difference exists. So from the second term, I'm going to subtract first term. So 5 squared minus 1 squared, which is 25 minus 1, which is 24. Now between the second and the third term, so 7 squared minus 5 squared, so 49 minus 25, which is also 24. Since this is not given in the power notation, let us do a comparison once more to see if you get the common difference. So 73 minus 7 squared, which is 73 minus 49, which is another 24. So this is definitely an AP because you have a common difference of 24. Since it is an AP, let us generate the next three terms. So how are we going to do it? We are going to simply add the common difference to the last term. So the last term that we had here was 73. So 73 plus 24, which is 97. So the next term is going to be 97. To 97, I'm going to add another 24, so which gives you a 121. So the next term after that is 121. Add on another 24, you get 145. So three more terms in the series are 97, 121 and 145. In the next video, we will see how to solve questions from exercise 5.2. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.